Hello and welcome to AI for Developers. I'm Chaitanya talking bot. Today's lesson is titled Embeddings. How AI turns words and pictures into meaningful numbers. As developers, we build things. But how do you build an AI that understands what a cat is? Or that happy is the opposite of sad? Computers only understand numbers. Embeddings are the secret sauce that lets AI convert our complex world of words, images, and sounds into a universal language of numbers that makes sense, allowing AI to understand and reason in ways that feel almost human. Imagine you want your AI to find similar products. If t-shirt is assigned a number 1, and jeans is 2, and hat is 3, how does the computer know a t-shirt as clothing? Or that it's more similar to jeans than to hat? Simple numerical IDs don't capture any relationships or meaning. This is the fundamental challenge. Bridging the gap between human concepts and the binary world of computers. An embedding is a special way to represent complex data, like a word, an entire sentence, or an image, as a list of numbers, called a vector. The magic is that these numbers aren't random. They're learned by an AI model in such a way that the asterisk meaning and relationships of the original data are preserved. Think of it like giving every concept a unique address on a map, where similar concepts have addresses very close to each other, and different concepts are far apart. From a developer's perspective, when you get an embedding, you're getting an array of floating point numbers, like backquote 0.23, minus 1.87, 0.54, 3.12, backquote. Each number is a coordinate in a high-dimensional space. AI models, like neural networks, learn to assign these coordinates. Words like king and queen will have very similar coordinate arrays, meaning their numerical vectors are close to each other in this abstract space. This closeness is how AI understands similarity and relationships. Let's say your AI needs to recommend articles. If a user reads an article about machine learning, you want to recommend articles about deep learning or neural networks, not cooking recipes. With word embeddings, machine learning will have a vector very close to deep learning and neural networks but far from cooking recipes. As a developer, you can then use simple mathematical operations, like calculating distance between these vectors to find truly related items, not just keyword matches. Embeddings aren't just for words. You can generate embeddings for images, audio clips, videos, and even entire documents. A picture of a golden retriever will have an embedding vector that's very similar to other golden retriever pictures, and also somewhat similar to other dog pictures, but very different from a picture of a cat or a car. This allows AI to perform tasks like intelligent image search, facial recognition, or even identifying music genres based on their sound signature. As a developer, understanding embeddings unlocks powerful AI capabilities you can integrate into your applications. Smarter search. Asterisk builds search engines that understand meaning and context, not just exact keywords. Recommendation systems. Power, you might also like features by finding items with similar embeddings. Content moderation. Asterisk identify and group similar inappropriate content, text or images, quickly. AI understanding. Asterisk embeddings are the bedrock for large language models, LLMs, to grasp context and generate human-like text. Efficiency. Asterisk once data is embedded, comparing items is just number crunching, making your AI applications faster and more scalable. You'll often interact with APIs that provide these embeddings. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, make sure to subscribe to our channel and hit the like button.